Woodworking methods of the last 100 years have remained essentially the same. Dedicated machines producing parts in enormous batches, with labor-intensive setups and huge inventories. The skill and abilities of the craftsman being directly reflected in the quality and consistency of the parts. Over time, the procedures became modernized, but the basic structures and operating methods have hardly changed. At the dawn of a new millennium, one thing remains certain: things will change. Thermwood Corporation is pioneering technical changes and a fundamentally different structure in woodworking that promises to transform the entire industry. Why? Because the trade is demanding new technology that is faster, more capable, more flexible, and, above all else, more profitable than ever before. Thermwood Corporation, a recognized leader in the woodworking industry, has developed and introduced Millenium CNC router technology, a new way of thinking combined with the extraordinary technical advances available today. Thermwood CNC routers can completely machine an entire piece of furniture in a single cycle with little or no setup, meaning that virtually every major woodworking function can be done by machines so capable and so versatile they've created an industry-wide manufacturing trend. Millenium CNC router technology is comprised of 5 basic elements. The machines must be multi-proficient, fast, technically advanced, upgradable, and they must be cost-effective. Combined into one furniture fabrication machine, these components will make the industry more capable, more flexible, and more profitable. Millenium CNC router technology is multi-proficient. Thermwood machines can perform virtually every major woodworking process. Routing is the primary function of CNC routers, and to that effect, Thermwood machines are unequaled, providing smooth, accurate cuts, part after part. 2 types of tooling are available for routing: rugged extended duty heads that provide smooth, accurate cuts, and rotary turrets with a variety of tooling options and exceptionally fast tool change times. An extended duty 10 horsepower router is included in the base price of all standard machines. An additional 10 horsepower router can be added to a machine to produce more than one part at a time. 5 horsepower piggyback routers give you the option of secondary tooling without having to add additional primary routers. Up to 2 can be added to each standard extended duty head. For programs and projects requiring several tools during a cycle, there are automatic tool changers, like our 5-position bar-style tool changers, 5-position at-the-head high-speed tool changers, and 50-position bulk tool changers that can be combined with the extended duty tooling. The rotary turret, available on 3-axis machines, can be equipped with up to 8 different tools, including 3 different routing heads: a heavy-duty 9 horsepower router, a medium-duty 4 horsepower router, and a horizontal head for jobs that require edge machining. Routing is a very versatile process that, with slight modification, can accomplish many other functions. Shaping. Like routing, shaping can easily be done with our machines. The turret has a 9 horsepower shaper available with a 6-inch maximum diameter and 1 1/4 inch arbor. It can be supplied in either right-hand or left-hand rotation. Boring. This fundamental task is done on extended duty tooling with an 11-spindle drill bank, and on the turret with a 5-spindle drill bank. Both types of tooling offer 2-spindle low-profile horizontal drills and compact 0.9 horsepower single-spindle air drills. Dovetailing and tenoning. These normally difficult tasks are accomplished with a CNC router as easily as any other type of edge work. The most efficient way generally requires the optional vertical table to stand the part on its edge for cutting. Squaring. A square inside corner to match almost any profile on MDF doors is accomplished with our patented tool and process that uses a square oscillating scraper. 2 can be mounted in the turret for squaring all 4 corners. Sawing. It's a fast, clean way to cut a part. For turrets and piggybacks, we have a 3 horsepower fixed saw with a 4-inch blade. Extended duty takes a 7.5 horsepower servo-controlled saw with a 10-inch diameter blade, and it includes a scoring saw. Planing. The most practical way to accomplish this popular process is to use a planer head. Thermwood offers one for the turret only with a 3 horsepower 6-inch planing head, perfect for flat or curved surfaces. Turning. Thermwood has a CNC lathe option that works with both extended duty and turret tooling. The 6 by 48 inch capacity lathe simply bolts to the table side of a Model 40 or Model 42. Sanding. Properly applied, a 2 horsepower sanding head on the turret is an excellent way to finish edge parts. The spindle is equipped with a profile sanding head and comes complete with a shaper body, shaper knives, and sanding insert. Carving. All CNC routers are carving capable, with some machines specifically designed for production carving. Thermwood's probe system has technology so advanced that practically anyone can create fast and efficient programs in just minutes. Like we said, every process needed to build most wood furniture can be done with a properly equipped furniture fabrication machine. Millenium CNC technology is fast, really fast. Thermwood machines are among the fastest in the world. Standard machines have accurate cutting speeds up to 1,500 inches per minute, 2,100 multi-axis. The turbo speed option increases cutting to an incredible 3,000 inches per minute, 4,200 multi-axis. That's almost 6 feet per second. The machines are fully controlled with accurate path following, have high accelerations and decelerations with programmed acceleration control, and high-speed tool changes on both extended duty and turret tooling. Faster feed speeds, accelerations, and tool changes mean quicker cycle times and more profits. Millenium CNC technology is technically advanced. Thermwood uses the 91000 Super Control because it's simply the best platform for machine tool control available today. Designed specifically for our industry, it excels in every major control function. It can also talk an operator through a cycle, communicate within a computer network, and show maintenance or setup videos right on the monitor. The 91000 Super Control easily runs programs that could choke most other controls, and it runs them fast, smooth, and accurate. In addition to the Super Control, Thermwood has over 30 other major technical features and options not available from anyone else. In fact, the company averages a new patent every other month. Millenium CNC technology is upgradable. As technology rapidly changes, your machine simply must be able to take advantage of it to remain competitive. Thermwood builds a large selection of standard machines that easily accept new options as your needs change and state-of-the-art technology as it becomes available. The Advanced Support Program is like a partnership with Thermwood, providing participants with new technology automatically and inexpensively, allowing you to maintain a competitive advantage and keep the machines in top working order. Software and hardware upgrades from Thermwood can keep you and your machines ahead of the competition, not 5 or 10 years behind. Millenium CNC technology is cost-effective. Not only does Thermwood have the broadest product offering and most advanced technology, we are also, surprisingly, the price leader. We control the design of all major components and achieve low machine prices by efficient production with a dedicated workforce, not by reducing the quality of materials or the capability of the equipment. You don't give up anything, but you do get a better machine with more features and advanced technology at a price that is generally lower than our competitors. New Millenium technology from Thermwood means that you can buy the best without having to spend the most. Thermwood is the leader in all 5 elements of New Millenium CNC router technology because we're tremendously focused on staying at the cutting edge of technology, identifying the needs of our customers, and providing the machines and options capable of getting the job done right. When you properly refine the design and process, you get machines that not only perform better, but cost less. This is realized in a large selection of standard Thermwood CNC routers with New Millenium technology. Model 40s are 3-axis machines available with 5x5 foot or 4x8 foot moving tables, and are suitable for constant and dependable production in small operations and or production cells. Model 42s are 3-axis machines available with 5x10 foot or dual 5x5 foot moving tables, and are suitable for consistent heavy production and reducing cycle times where loading and unloading is a consideration. Model 53s are 3-axis machines available with 5x10 foot, 5x12 foot, or a 5x20 foot fixed table, and are suitable for sheet stock and larger parts. Optional roller hold down and automatic load and unload systems are available. Model 40 carving routers are 6-spindled routers available with 10x48 inch or 10x56 inch capacities. and are designed specifically to production carve both flat and three-dimensional wood parts. Model 67s are 5-axis machines available with 5x5 foot, 5x10 foot, dual 5x5 foot, or dual 5x10 foot moving tables, and are suitable for industrial high-performance trimming with heavy throughput. All Thermwood machines are designed for continuous industrial production, high-quality output, and a long operating life. Properly equipped and programmed, Thermwood CNC routers can perform virtually every machining option required in woodworking and furniture manufacturing. That's not hype, that's not wishful thinking. It's a fact, and at the dawn of a new millennium, CNC router technology will continue to replace outdated, single-purpose machines. Today, it is much harder to imagine what you want to do than to actually do it. Within reasonable limitations, we can make these machines do anything you can imagine. If you don't believe it, bring us a part, visit the demo lab, and we'll prove it. Thermwood Corporation, first in CNC routers, in this millennium and the next. Furniture Manufacturing in the New Millennium, a hardback book published by Thermwood, can help you understand the changes currently happening in wood products manufacturing. Detailing serious problems that face the industry, as well as offering workable solutions, it covers the economics of new manufacturing methods, alternative factory structures, and CNC router technology. An included software program allows you to calculate your own costs and the potential that New Millennium Technology holds for your company. Available for only $24.95, Furniture Manufacturing in the New Millennium. It's a must for all woodworking professionals.